So,
Alright, it's going. Camera's rolling. What we got here?
alright, we got fish.
Is it alive or dead? What is it?
No, it's alive.
Alright.
Alright. Here's Trina.
It's going on James while he's sleeping.
Hold out the door.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
It's the camera. It's a little. Okay, lights on. What should I do? Just like throw it in.
Yo, James. Yo, James.